About when you came?
So I used to 7. And say fire. But the start with the fire in the owner never there. So he couldn't come out. So it get dark now and them say we have to come out of the building. Then now it get worse. People from Tel Aviv them come help me. So all about come help me. It pay to live good. It pay to be kind. You understand? Don't matter the person if they get that give them. But today at them come and take out down here. So we up the gone already and we have life. So we have to work on it. And the people that are foreign, please don't call me and stress me. If you have any 2 bills or 3 bills or 4 bills, no send it come give me. No stress me about no fire. Fire gone already and we have life. The greatest thing that. Why now the me and everybody know. Just come in, come give me a tea. We can't get back little goods. Come in, come give me $1. We can run in and buy back little goods. You understand? We will not take too long though.
Nothing. You know, any ideas to how the fire may have started?
Kirk, you see that part there? I will stay till the next day, you know.
Come in here, I heard that a light was left on. That's what I heard. I don't know how true that is or...
Kirk, I told this. You understand? You hear me tell you so when you come and see fire, stick on that part there. Fire me see, me don't know nothing here. Fire.
You lost about how much in terms of value?
That can't talk right now, you know. We have life. It's the greatest thing that so anything we lose, we get it back.
All of you go to burn up?
Just up there, so the story.
Letty, one like your spirit, you're in the high spirit. That
Yeah, so, yeah, go do. We have 16 grand to take care now, and all the people are going to have to help.
What's your full name, Letty? Your full name?
Janet Mitchell.
Janet Mitchell.